Good evening. Good evening. This is Jeff. It's about 10:33 p.m. on a Monday evening, and we're going to get right into it because we got a lot to cover for this evening and for Tuesday's weather. And then toward the end of this video, we will see if there's a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. That's 1 out of 5. Although slight, we still have the opportunity of maybe a severe storm or two, but we'll see that a little bit later in the video, and I'll have more details tomorrow. Tonight, Tuesday night, going into Wednesday, more details on the latest information from the National Weather Service out of Tampa, Florida, Ruskin, Florida. That's where the National Weather Service is, in Tampa. All right, so let's get on with the slide. Now, this is Tuesday severe weather for Northwest Florida, and this generating from Pensacola, Panama City to Tallahassee, Gainesville, Jacksonville, Palm Coast, Daytona, Orlando, Tampa, Sarasota, Fort Myers, Naples, Key West, Marathon, Miami, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Fort Pierce, Melbourne, Cape Canaveral, Daytona Beach, and Jacksonville. You're all not included in Tallahassee. You're just in the general for tomorrow. But you will be in the risk here in a little bit when we get later into the presentation. This is our chance of rain for tomorrow, March the 4th, and it's mostly down in the south. Anywhere from 10 to about 20% chance of precipitation in the southeast part of the state and the southwest part of the state. This is our maximum wind gust for tomorrow's in the 30s, mid-30s. So if it's sustained winds, I won't be surprised if there's some type of a wind advisory put out for this area by their local National Weather Service, which this area is covered under in Alabama. So I won't be surprised if there's a weather wind advisory for tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll have some pockets in the 20s, in the mid-20s down in the southeast and the southwest part of the state. The precipitation is mostly on the east coast down to the southeast. So this is a concentration ahead of this next cold front that will be moving in Wednesday. But I'll have that more Tuesday night for Wednesday's forecast. This is our low temperatures for across the state of Florida. And it looks like some upper 40s, lower 50s, to mid 50s to right around 60, some 60s and 50s in the southwest and southeast part of the state. This is our forecast highs, and close to the coast right here, we're going to be close to 80s with some upper 70s in inland to lower 80s in the southwest and some upper 70s along the southeast part of the state. Up here in the central and north, upper 70s to mid 70s. That is for Tuesday's high temperatures. This is our satellite. And as you can see, as that front gets and that low pressure system gets closer, we'll be starting to have more of these high clouds. We'll be filtering in probably tomorrow, early morning in this part, and then later in the day in central and south Florida. This is our west coast of high temperatures. Like I said, mostly in the mid to low 80s tomorrow, except along the coast, upper 70s, and upper 70s on the east coast of Florida. Rain amounts down here, 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain. So not that great of rain, but nevertheless, Nevertheless, it's still going to rain down in that area, so you may need some umbrellas, mainly in the afternoon. These are, like I said, the high clouds in the state of Florida. This is my local Pinellas County forecast. In the daytime, we'll have mostly sunny skies with no rain chances. The winds will be from the east, then shifting to the south in the afternoon at 7 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, that's when we're going to start seeing our increase in clouds. The weather would be mostly cloudy. There's still no chance of rain in our area for Tuesday night. And our winds will be from the southeast at 6 to 10 miles an hour. This is where our gusts is going to start coming into play, and 20 miles an hour. This is our outlook for Wednesday. This is probably mostly Wednesday afternoon because the latest computer models. I didn't show no computer models on today's forecast. I will tomorrow. But this is our local forecast for Wednesday. And it looks like from Tallahassee to Gainesville to Jacksonville, the Palm and Daytona, Orlando and Tampa, Sarasota and Bradenton. And as far as almost to Palm City, this area has a slight a marginal risk of severe storms with a few severe thunderstorms. Tornadoes are possible. Not that great. I showed that there, but not that great. The more part of the severe weather would be possible damaging wind. I put that in the moderate category. So a few storms that can have considerable damaged winds in the thunderstorms and a lot of heavy rain. So the damaged wind is the main threat for the marginal risk for storms. I want to thank you from the Florida Weather Guy. You have a great evening. I will see you on the next one, and we'll see you Tuesday night for Tuesday night's forecast and for Wednesday's forecast. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Have a great evening, and thank you for watching our Florida Weather Guy YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.